everyone, once again you're welcome. This is Sam Kumar in front of you. So today I have brought for you one video. How can you learn this language in fluent way? Everything I want to tell you in this video. So what should you do? What should we do for learning this language? We should practice every day. We have to practice like speaking practice. Whatever we know like that small sentence we have to speak. Yes, I started my journey from small sentences. That's why I'm able to speak now, because if I did not practice small sentences, I cannot learn this language. Before time I was speaking broken English. Whatever I had knowledge about English language, I started that time. I had no any kinds of what source of learning this language. This time, YouTube through we can learn. We have what's in this time free 5G, and also in this time we are getting enough data. But before time there were only limited data. At my beginning time it was very tough to learn this language. That's why I joined many spoken institute, but I did not develop there my communication skill. But a long time I practice in this time able to speak because of my hard practice. Whenever I start practicing, I whole night I practice 7-8 hours. I only do speaking practice every day. I tried 5-7 days continuously. In this time I'm able to speak because of my hard work. Already I told that I many times I practice a lot, means all night, complete night I try to speak this language. So I have given lots of time to learn this language. Yes, every person can learn this language if that person do practice. So it's easy in this time for me because of hard work. Suppose that if you want to go long distance 100 kilometers, so it first time by on foot, so it will take long. It will for you challenging. Which you will first thing I can't go. But if you start one step, then one by one everything will be okay. Then you can reach your destination. But you have to take first step. Then you can reach there. So suppose that time I did not accept that I can learn this language, but I continued my journey. One day definitely I will learn. So you can say that God listened my voice, and God gave me show me some idea how can you learn this language. So always I used to pray to God, please help me to learn this language. Every knowledge inside all of you in your mind exists. So if you try, then first step should be about you have to learn this language. You have to make a plan. You have to give your mind. You have to learn this language. Then you have to give your mind. Yes, you have to speak English all time. Whenever you get time, then your mind will work. Means your mind will follow. So whatever suggestion you give your mind, then accept your mind. Definitely you can learn this language. In this time I will speak because of my practice. That's why I'm saying that yes, you should practice. You have to read. You have to do reading practice also. It is necessary. If you read, you will get more idea, more information about many subjects, different kinds of topic you will find. So you must necessary for learning this language. You must start reading also, writing also. It is necessary. If you write anything, then your mind think what to write, what to speak, what to write. So it you have to have it. Then definitely one day you can able to speak, able to write this language. So today enough. Next day I will make you another video. I will motivate every day for making one video. So okay, I'll meet you another day. Now time is 10 past 10, so it's night time. Okay, I'll meet you another day.